Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. It really does mean a lot. If you don't know what to comment, it's okay. Put any emoji you feel inclined to do so, please, if you feel like it. So today I got a question. Somebody emailed me, dan@theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Anybody can do that, as well as all social networks. And it's a question that it's unique, but in some way, shape, and form, it's common. It's a common theme that I get. So let me just read it to you. Hey Dan, I work as a lab assistant in an oncology research lab. So it's bench research. I have 15 years of lab experience. My focus though has been lab, so bench research. So I've been in this role for 5 years, but didn't become more interested in clinical research coordinator until about 2 years ago. Although I love working in the lab, I feel like I'm only getting a small piece of the bigger puzzle, which has frustrated me. Just recently, assistant CRC roles opened up in my department, and my boss advised me to apply. I did and interviewed, and several of my coworkers, they denied me the role. Ever since then, I've been down in the dumps. I am a person who loves to learn and feel like I'm being denied upward mobility. I figured if my own department will not allow me to learn, then maybe applying to different departments for assistant CRC roles will give me an opportunity. Either I'm a terrible interviewer or I'm just not experienced enough. No one will give me the opportunity. I've been on 3 assistant CRC interviews to no avail. I stumbled across your 5-hour video and watched the entire thing. It gave me more insight and makes me want to learn even more. Anyways, I saw you had a link to the Academy CRC, but I can't afford it, so my question at this point is, what can I do to learn enough info to get and pass the certification test? Is this test important? So I'm assuming you're talking about certified clinical research coordinator. Unfortunately, that's only offered to people who have 2 years of clinical research coordinator experience or more. The ironic thing about it is by the time you get that experience, you may not even need it. A lot of people do get it because it does look good on their resume. It helps them with future jobs, but that's not going to help you in this case. This person also says, I applied to an ADN nursing lottery program. I don't know if this is key, so I'm not sure what the ADN nursing lottery program is. One of the things I got to tell you is there's a lot of people in this situation, like bench research. I've interviewed several that want to be involved as a CRC, clinical research coordinator, because they want, like you said, they feel like they're only getting a small part of the overall experience in bench research. And you should pursue that. And you shouldn't let your place of employment determine your success. There are probably research clinics in your area. I'm telling you, the small sites are the ones that need help. My site here in Yuma Clinical Trials, I'm going out to find people. I'm going out to find CNAs and medical assistants, and I'm evangelizing to them the world of clinical research. So you're already half of the way there. You already know. You don't need an evangelist to tell you clinical research coordinator is a great career for you. I as a site owner am in that situation where I have to find people with potential like yourself and convince them to do research. So in your case, I think you just need to get out to more people in your community in clinical research. I think you need to get on LinkedIn, start getting very active with other people's posts. I think you need to start networking with coordinators. I think you need to start networking with sites in your area. I think you need to go into those sites and take your resume and tell them what you want to do and why you want to be a coordinator and what you've been doing in bench research. That background is valuable. They will give you a chance. You're just not doing enough. You're just sticking to your department, and your version of going outside of the box is to go to another department in your own company. Like, if you're in that situation, you probably can't see that that's not a great strategy if they're already telling you no. Going outside into other companies, especially small mom and pop research clinics in your area, they are all over the place. They're even in small towns. That's where you need to go. If you're still getting pushback and people are not wanting to hire you, which I don't think that's going to be the case for you, I just think you need to apply to like 50 places, 50 research clinics in your area after you've done your homework and you're networking on LinkedIn with these people, and really have conversations with them on LinkedIn if you can, in the form of you commenting on their posts, etc. That's one way to do it. Another way to go about it is certified nursing assistant. I just interviewed someone the other day. It's mind-blowing. 6-week course, you become a CNA, you take a job at a nursing home, assisted living, probably is going to pay you similar. You alluded to the fact that you have a low-paying job as a bench researcher, so you're probably going to get paid the same, maybe a little less, who knows, maybe more as a CNA. Do that for 6 months, and then do the same thing again. Approach all those same sites. Now that you have bench research background and real clinical experience, like you know how to do actual nursing activities that sites will really find helpful for you. That's what you should do. Those kind of things you should be doing. Don't be down in the dumps. Don't let one company or one department or several departments, like basically a handful of people, dictate your success in this industry. You need to take it upon yourself. They don't care about you. All right? They don't care about your career. You need to care about your career, and that means doing things that you don't feel comfortable doing, such as networking, such as going outside of the box and exploring companies outside of your expertise. And I'm telling you, the small community clinics are the places you need to go. Hopefully this helps. I know there's a lot of people in your situation. Guru Nation, I'm trying to do my part one at a time. Take care.